Hello, I'm back with combined lecture, Standard 11th and Standard 9th. Name of the topic, sets. What is set? Set is a collection of different things. For example, collection of boys, collection of alphabets, collection of colors, collection of days of weeks. All these are included in set. While studying set, you'll come to know that we are going to study all the subjects. It includes science, it includes history, it includes civics, geography, everything. Yes, but it's a revision, basic revision. Set is always shown by curly bracket. Look up. Yes. And in all that curly bracket, we have to put all the letters separated by comma. One rule of set is you're not allowed to repeat any alphabet, repeat any number. If you repeat the number, that set is wrong. Means in any set, any number it appears only one time. Okay. Now the question number 1 is just a basic. You have to classify whether it is a set or it is not a set. Now what do you mean by set? If it contains any quality mentioned, for example, any adjective is there, this is not a set. For example, set of clever girls in the class. Clever is the adjective attached. So this is not a set, because from one point of view that child may be brilliant, from others point of view the child may not be. So clever is a changing concept, because that child may be best in one subject and may be worst in other subject. That's why. So clever is not an adjective, not a set. Set of clever boys or clever girls is not a set. So what is the answer? Not a set. Question number 2. Set of lazy girls in the class. Lazy, again adjective is attached. So that is also not a set, because from one person's point of view, that child is lazy in one part. But from others' point of view, she is very active. So this is not a set. Set of natural numbers. Yes, it is a set. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ... It is a set. This is a set. Set of whole numbers. Yes, it is a set. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a set. Integers. It is a set. Set of colors of rainbow. 7 colors. Yes, it is a set. Which 7 colors are there? I don't think I have to explain that. Correct? Look up. So this was first exercise to find whether it is a set or it is not a set. Remember, if any quality is there, set of rich people in Mumbai. No, this is not a set. Rich is again a quality or adjective. It is not a set. I hope this first part is clear. Set, not a set. Okay? See, different examples are flashed above. Set or not a set. Just go through it. They are flashed, and I am mom. Stop. 2 methods in set. First method, listing method, which is also called roster method. And second method, rule method. This has only one name. Now what is listing method? Curly bracket. In a curly bracket, you write all. That is, suppose a set of natural numbers. So, start with A, curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot means they are never ending. Because these natural numbers are never ending. And curly bracket is over. So, this method shows actual list separated by commas. And same rule, you are not allowed to repeat that. This is also called as roster method. Now, second method we'll study afterwards. First, we will go for this method. Let's begin. Well, we'll start with some exercise. Write down sets in listing method. Now this listing method has two names which I have already stated. Listing or roster method. This is one and the same thing. Okay. Question number 1. All letters in the word program. The name is not given, so I will assume as A, set A. See, program, each and every alphabet will come, but alphabet is not repeated. They are separated by comma, means P, R, O, G, again R is there, but it will not come. A, M, 2 times, take only 1 time, and E, done. See, they are separated by comma. Fine. Next, letters in the word complement. Same question. Similar. I will assume as B and I will write all the letters of the word complement without repetition. Very good. C, O, M, P, L, E. Again M is coming, don't write. Again E is coming, not to write. T is coming, yes, we will write. Okay, complement, C-O-M-P-L-E. No repetition, no repetition allowed. Next, set of human sensory organs. Oh, we are going to science now. Sensory organs. Which are sensory organs? Yes, eyes, ears, then nose, then skin and tongue, which tests. These are all sensory organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. Okay. Next, set of continents of the world. Okay, we are coming to geography now. सब जगह घुमा के लेके आते हैं. Study of geography also, study of science also, with some grammar also. We'll see afterward. Grammar is also included. Civics is also included. Chalo, D equals to continent. Which are continent? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, then Australia, then yes, Antarctica and Europe. These are 7 continents of the world. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, done. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, and Europe. These are 7 continents of the world. We have to write them separated by comma. Next, set of colors in Indian flag. Easy. Civics पे आ गए. Indian flag, tricolor. White, green, and you can write orange. No need to write saffron. See, blue is not included, even though Ashok Chakra is blue, but still it's not included because it's a tricolor. So tricolor includes 3: orange, green, and white. Okay, so this question is done. This question is done. You can take a screenshot. देखो कहाँ घुमा के आए हम लोग को. Grammar, science, geography, and civics. Method 2, that is rule method. Rule method always starts with curly bracket, then x/x. x/x is set of whole numbers. So what will be the answer? Yes, this is whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the type of question they ask? They give one method and you have to convert into other method. This is the type of question they ask. Okay, so let's begin with that also. Just remember, rule method always starts with x/x and then the whole sentence comes. There is no comma in this method because this contains a sentence. Okay, very good. Now just have a look at a rule method. I've given some examples. It will flash on the board. Yes, just observe. I'm keeping mum again. Good. Now we'll solve an exercise. चलो बच्चा लोग अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question. Write down following sets in rule method. Now in rule method, as I have explained, it comes x/x. It comes x/x. Now let us see what it is. 1, 4, 9, 16. Oh, these are squares. This is a square of 1. This is a square of 2. This is a square of 3. See, let me simplify. This is 1 square, 1. This is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square. Like this, all are squares up to 10. Correct? So, see how I write the answer. x/x equals to n square. And n is less than or equal to 10, means n starts with 1 and ends with 10. Equal to means 10 is included. 10 is included, then only it is 10. Okay, so this is up to 10. Got the answer? These are squares and this is your range up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, B. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. अरे ये तो पूरा टेबल लिख लिया. पूरा नहीं है, but it's a table up to 48. That is 6 8s of 48. Correct? Very good. Now what to do? x/x. It's a table of 6n. जिसका टेबल वो लिखना, तो 6n. and the range of n is up to 6 8s, or you can also count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so up to 8 but equal to 8, just like this, just like this. Okay, done. Second question is over. Moving to question number 3. Okay, next question. Smile. This is smiley. So these are the letters of smile. So how to write? X/X is a letter of the word, which word? Smile. SMILE. See, if they have given in a capital letter, we also have to write a capital letter. Okay, smile, smile. No repetition here. Clear? Next, D. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. अरे गए junior KG में. Even junior KG also knows all these things, but we are writing in which form? We are writing in set form. X/X is a day of week. Okay, 7 days in a week. Wow, आज Sunday है. Free day, free time, right? Next is X/X AET. Just arrange any word from this. Can I say X/X is a letter of word EAT? Yes, EAT. Or can I say a letter of word ATE? Yes, I can say. So two answers are there. EAT, ATE. And one more. Is a letter of word which is my favorite, T. Yes, my favorite, T. So in short, whenever they give any spellings separated by comma, you have to form any word from this. Okay, जैसे कि मैंने किया eat, ate, tea. If you have any other answer, you can write. I think there is no other answer. Tea is also done. Fine. चलो take a screenshot बच्चा लोग. Done? Very good.